Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google account lock on an Android device, also called the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now here with us today we have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So this is the Fold model, the one that opens outwards like a book. And this device does indeed have the FRP lock enabled because as we can see here, as we're going through the initial setup steps, it's asking us to either verify the previous screen pattern, the screen lock that was used, or if we tap on use my Google account instead, it'll tell us that the other option is to sign in with the previous Google account that was on it before. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from someone who turned out to be a scammer. So they purchased the device through, an online transaction, and then after they got the device and started to set it up, or after they factory reset it, they discovered the lock. And usually in those cases, the seller has long since disappeared, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. And then the buyer's essentially stuck with an unusable device. But we are making this video here to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login info. The procedure that we do is something that's done directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can connect remotely through the internet right to your computer to perform the exact same process that we're doing here with this one now. So actually, as I've been speaking, I've been running our unlock program here on the device as it's plugged in. It needs just another minute or so to finish up running, and then after the device restarts, we should be able to see that we can indeed get all of the way through the initial setup steps without seeing that lock. So hold on here while that finishes up, and then we will show exactly what it shows at the end. All right, there we go. We are back at the welcome screen, now fully rebooted, so we can begin going through all of the steps here by hitting start. And then we have to agree to terms and conditions. And we're not going to set up the device. We're going to skip Wi-Fi, date and time. We don't need a screen lock, so we're going to skip that also. Just Google services, Samsung services, we don't need those on. Date of birth, do that. Okay, there we go. It says we're all set up. So when we tap the home button there, we should indeed see that we have the home screen loading up with full access to all of the apps and settings and features. And this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, we're going to pop down into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with. So when we go down to About Phone, we can indeed see that we have a Z Fold 6 and then that model number there, once my focus cooperates, is the SM-F956U, the model number of this specific device, but we can also do this for lots of other model numbers of the Fold 6 as well. So if you have a Galaxy Z Fold 6 that has the FRP lock enabled and need help getting that removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information can be found right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.